Hi everyone, thank you for clicking and welcome back to English with Becky. I am Rebecca, and in this video we are going to look at the different vowel sounds a and e, right? A and e. The letter A makes the a sound, right? And E makes the e sound. So let us look at some minimal pairs. So what are minimal pairs? Minimal pairs are two words that are almost similar but they have one sound that's different. For example, road, rod, right? Feet, fit. So there's just one sound that's different. So we look at some minimal pairs of a and e. So the first pair of words we have here is bad and bed. B-A-D. A sound, okay? Bad, bad. B-E-D, bed. It has the e sound. A, e, right? We don't say bed for this, right? B-A-D. We don't say bed, we say bad. A sound. Bed, e. Bad, bed. Next we have man. M-A-N. We don't say man. Not a but a. Man. Men. E has the e sound, right? A and e. Man, men. Next, bag. Not bag. Not a. Don't say the a or e. Say a. Bag, right? Bag, beg. Bag, beg. Next, pat. Pat, pet. P-A-T, a again, okay? Pat, pet. Pat means to pat, right? We pat our pet. Yes. Pat, pet. Sat, set. Sat, set. Sat, set. Land. L-A-N-D. Land. Don't say land. Okay? Say land. Land, land. If you say lend, it will sound like this other word, right? It will sound like lend. So you have to be very careful with the sounds. If you mix up the sounds and use the wrong sound, it will end up like you're using another word, right? So be very careful with the sound, and we have to learn to pronounce the sounds correctly to get the right sound. So it's land, a again, right? And e. Land, lend. Shall, S-H-A-L-L. Don't say shell, but shall. If it's a shell, it sounds like this word, right? Shell. S-H-E-L-L. Shell. So it's shall, shell. Shall, shell. So there's a difference, right? With the two words, with the sound a and e. Shall, shell. Mat. That what we spread on the floor and we sit, right? So it's mat, not mat, right? A, and not a or e. It's a. Mat, mat, met, met, the past of meet, met, mat, met, right? Band, bend, band, bend, right? If you say this word as bend, it will sound like to bend something, right? It will sound like this word, bend. So it's band, like a band, a musician band, right? Bend, bend means to bend. So it's band, bend. So these are the difference which is quite important to learn and to correct ourselves, right? A and e. Well, that's it for this video. I do hope you found it useful. If you did, please consider subscribing. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.